Graphic design is a creative side hustle where you can make money by designing logos, flyers, and various digital graphics. It's perfect for those who have a knack for art and design. To get started, you can create accounts on platforms like 99 Designs or Fiverr. These sites allow you to offer your design services to people all over the world. Setting up your profile involves uploading examples of your work, which is crucial as it showcases your style and skills. Your profile acts like a digital portfolio and helps potential clients decide if they want to hire you. In terms of earnings, graphic designers can make a wide range of money depending on their skill level and the complexity of the projects. Typically, you might charge anywhere from $50 for a simple logo to over $300 for more complex designs. As you gain more experience and your portfolio grows, you can start charging higher rates. Building a strong portfolio is key to success in graphic design. Include your best work and update it regularly as you complete new projects. Also, getting positive reviews from clients can significantly boost your profile, helping you attract more work. As you continue to improve your skills and build your reputation, your potential to earn more and secure regular clients increases, turning graphic design from a side hustle into a serious business.